Welcome to Aarav Science World. 15 amazing science questions. 5 seconds to answer each. Are you ready for the challenge? Let's begin. How many bones are there in an adult human body? A. 206. B. 210. C. 201. 5 seconds to answer. The correct answer is A. 206 bones. What happens when light hits a mirror? A. Absorption. B. Reflection. C. Refraction. 5 seconds. The correct answer is B. Reflection. How long does Earth take to rotate once on its axis? A. 24 hours. B. 12 hours. C. 365 days. 5 seconds. The correct answer is A. 24 hours. Fish breathe through what? A. Lungs. B. Gills. C. Nose. 5 seconds. The answer is B. Gills. What causes fog? A. Hot air. B. Condensation of water vapor near the ground. C. Rainfall. 5 seconds. The correct answer is B. Condensation of water vapor. Lightning is a form of what energy? A. Heat. B. Electrical. C. Chemical. 5 seconds. The correct answer is B. Electrical energy. White light splits into how many colors? A. 5. B. 6. C. 7. The answer is C. 7 colors of the rainbow. What is the name of our galaxy? A. Andromeda. B. Milky Way. C. Whirlpool. Time's up. The correct answer is B. The Milky Way. What is the chemical formula of water? A. CO2. B. H2O. C. HO2. Your time starts now. The correct answer is B. H2O. What causes wind to blow? A. Movement of clouds. B. Air movement caused by temperature differences. C. Earth's rotation. Time's up. The correct answer is B. Air moves because of temperature differences. A virus can grow only in A. Air. B. Water. C. Living cells. 5 seconds. The answer is C. Living cells. Which instrument helps us see microorganisms? A. Telescope. B. Microscope. C. Periscope. 5 seconds. The answer is B. Microscope. Birds have which organ for breathing? A. Lungs. B. Gills. C. Both. 5 seconds. The correct answer is A. Lungs. Heat always flows from A. Cold to hot. B. Hot to cold. C. Equal both ways. 5 seconds. The answer is B. Hot to cold. Sound cannot travel through A. Solid. B. Liquid. C. Vacuum. 5 seconds. The correct answer is C, vacuum. How many questions did you get right? Comment your score below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Aarav Science World for more fun science quizzes every week.